Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a tune-up and oil change on my John Deere G110. Yep, John Deere G110. Okay. It's got a Kohler motor, Command 25. This used to be my dad's tractor. He bought another one many years ago, quite a few years ago, and he gave me this, and you know, he beat the crap out of this, so I had to fix it up a little bit. But anyway, I don't think the oil's ever been changed in this, so I'm going to change the oil. I just ordered this kit, and it comes with a bunch of stuff. So really, I just wanted to change the oil, get the oil filter and whatever, but I got this kit, same price. Let's see what's in it. All right. Comes with an oil filter. Oil filter. Comes with an air filter and a new air filter, sponge thing. Cool. Let's see what else we got. Comes with a new fuel pump, which I probably won't change up, but I'll keep this in case it ever craps out. I don't know why they give it to you. Well, whatever. Comes with a new fuel filter. I'll change that out. And it comes with new spark plugs. And I'll change those out. Okay? Link will be in the description below if you're interested in this. They may also, this is for a Kohler 25. So let's get on with changing the oil. So all you need to do is right here. Got this little plastic cap. All you need to do is push, twist, and it should pull right out. Hopefully. There. And then come over here. There's your oil fill. Release the pressure, and it should drain out faster. All right, once all the oil's drained out, then I'll be back. All right, while that's draining out, see, I'm gonna take off the oil filter. Oh, boy, that's on there good. Did I bring the oil filter wrench? Let me get the oil filter wrench. What did I do with it? Oh boy, that's on there. Damn. There, okay. Twist this off too. Now it's got a little drainage sleeve here, but I stuck a paper towel under here just to make sure. It'll probably go all over this. Yep, all over the side of the tractor. There we go. Let that drain out. Get some paper towels and clean up this mess. All right, just about done dripping there. So I think we can just kind of clean this off a little bit. Or let it drip some more. All right, I want to clean this off. Got new oil filter. Okay, new oil filter. You always want to take some oil and rub the rim. Okay? Sometimes I like to put a little bit of oil in too. To pre-treat the filter. And then just twist this on. There. You only want to go hand tight. All right. Wait for this to finish dripping. And I'm gonna, all right, put that in. Push. Twist. All right. So that should be done. Got the drain plug back in. That. Okay. And I'm gonna use a little bit of brake clean. Okay. Clean everything off. Yeah. Okay. Now you can come over here, put some oil in the oil fill. It should take 2 quarts. I'm gonna put 1.5 quarts in, just to be on the safe side. But 10W30, 2 quarts of 10W30. I got a couple different things of oil here, some other oil that I have, laying around. So it's not the same oil, but not the same brand of oil. So I'm gonna pour in this 1 quart, pour in slowly. All right, got the dipstick. See how much we got in there? Put it on, pull it out. According to this, it says it's right on full. Like I said, I put some in the filter too, but after we run it, it's right on full right now. But you'll want to check it after you run it. Okay? But yeah, oil change is done. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay, I emptied the oil pan, but I think the next step I'm gonna do is change out the fuel filter. So, I don't know. Hopefully, let's see if we can do this here. They got little squeeze tabs on here. Squeeze clamps. Just take a pair of pliers and squeeze them, and hopefully slide them up. Okay. Let's see here, and twist. Hopefully this don't spray gas all over. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to put this hose back on. I think I need to clamp that. All right, I'm gonna take a pair of needle nose vice grips. See if I can clamp this hose to shut this gas off. Let's try this again. All right. Okay.
Got the little clamp off. Okay, so on this new one here, it's got an arrow. I think that goes to the pump, I guess. Let's see. If it don't run, then I gotta flip this around. But anyway. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna put the filter on this way. All right, let's release the pressure. All right, fuel filter on. Now we'll go to the next step. All right, next step is I'm gonna change the spark plugs. The kit came with 2 new spark plugs, so gonna come in here, take them out. Take out the spark plugs and replace them. All right, just take them out. This is a new one because new spark plug already, but because I had to replace this coil wire, I had to replace this whole coil. But looks like it's a little bit burnt here. All right. Okay, so it's burnt a little bit. What do you think? So replace it with a new one. All right, tighten it up. Okay, coil back on. There we go. Do the same thing on the other side, and I'll be back. All right, spark plug's in. Last thing to do is to take off the air filter. There's a little nut right here. Just twist it off, and this should come off. The cover. Come on. Unscrew. There we go. All right. See, you got a little foam cover here. Got a little wing nut right here. Oh, it's on there. Take the wing nut off. Okay, just set your wing nut there. Take your air filter out, and there you go. All right. You want to pop this off. There you go. Okay, your new filter. Comes with a new foam filter. Okay, new filter. Take your foam, go around it. Okay. Put your cover on, and let's go put it back in. Just set it on there. Okay, wing nut. Okay, might want to smack this out a little bit. Clean that out. Put that on. Let's see here. There we go. Set it on there. This should just spin. There we go. There, all done. Now I'm just going to throw this stuff away, clean up a little bit, and I'll be back. Air filter on. All right, we're going to start this up for the first time, but we might have to let the fuel filter fill up.
right, she runs. So that's good for me. So if you're interested in this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified of when new videos come out, and give us a thumbs up. And leave a comment, and I'll leave the link in the description below for this kit, for your tune-up, oil change tune-up kit, if you're interested. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.